Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can add title in your YouTube video. In the last video I show you how you can upload video in YouTube. And now I am going to show you how you can add title in your video. So this is our title area in details section. So it is show like this, or if your selected name will be shown in here. If you select file name, what type of video, your default file name will show in here, and then we need to adjust this. So for YouTube SEO, this part is very important. Actually, this is the main part, is your YouTube title. If you cannot select the right title for your video, but your video is good quality, you may not have chance to recommend in YouTube. So that's why choose the right title for your video. So I'm going to paste my title in here. So always try to choose relevant title for this. And you can see our title should be less than 100 word. Choose any title below the 100 word. In the next video, we are going to discuss how you can add description in your video. And we will discuss the importance of your YouTube video description.